Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Color 8, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then navigate into the settings. Next, locate storage. Under the device, you can select your SD card. Now for me, it tells me that something is wrong with my card, so I can set it up. I'm going to do that quickly right here. Let's give it a moment. So I'm going to select Android in this case, that's how it's called on here. And then next we can click on the three dots, and from here you can select Format. And then select Format SD card. This is the traditional way you would be formatting your card. For me, I had to first set it up because it was for some reason not recognizable to the device. But as you can see, once you do that, the card will format and everything is good to go now. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.